The area around here looks a lot like the area they left in Germany, the hills, the creeks. We've been back to Deddington. Actually, we saw the house that my grandpa left. We're farming yet to keep the farm going in the family. The family is pretty all important to me. Going through the ordeals we've gone through, it's been the family that has got us through it. In 2010, we thought we had the highest flood that ever was, a centennial flood we called it. Probably the water would have been about to here that year. Unfortunately, this July 28th in 2011 here, the water was probably just so you'd see the tassels on this corn at best. And that was about 18 inches higher than it was the year before, which my dad was born on the farm here his whole life. He was here. Never saw water that high his whole lifetime.
I'm fortunate enough every day I get to go work with my dad, and you know, I was fortunate enough to be able to work with my grandpa too growing up. I didn't realize it back then, but looking back on it now, there's a lot of things I wish I would have asked him and talked to him about as I was growing up. But at least, you know, I get to say I was with my grandpa almost every day, and you know, it means a lot to me too as I look back on it.
I think farming in this area, we all feel the same way. We went to a funeral just recently of a good friend of ours, and his son did the eulogy. And he said that Dad's had the 3 F's, he called them. It was faith, farming, and family. And that's what he always believed in. And I think we all feel that way around here.